Welcome to a brief video on the OpenVoice audio conferencing mobile app for Android. This app is available for both iPhone and Android devices. However, this video will focus on installing and using the OpenVoice mobile app on a Samsung Galaxy. The OpenVoice mobile app makes it easy to join and schedule conference calls on the go. Start or join with one tap. No more hassling with access codes and conference room numbers. You don't need to have an OpenVoice account to use this app. As an attendee, you can join conferences from an Android free of charge. However, if you have an OpenVoice account, you can also schedule or start your conferences directly from the app as an organizer. To start, you will need to install the OpenVoice mobile app on your Android. Navigate to the Play Store and type in OpenVoice and install the app. Once this is complete, you will see that the OpenVoice mobile app will appear on your home screen. Click on the icon on your home screen to open the OpenVoice mobile app. You will see that there are two tabs at the top of this page. The first is Join and the other is Host. Start by clicking on Join. Here, anyone can quickly and easily join a conference by just entering the conference ID. If you do have an OpenVoice account, once you're logged in, you can view all your upcoming OpenVoice conferences as they're automatically aggregated from your calendar. I will show you how to log into your account in just a moment. For this example, here is what your join page would look like if you were logged in. Then, not only could you quickly and easily join an ad hoc conference, but you could start any scheduled call you had on your calendar. When you join or start a conference, you'll be directed to the Call screen, where a list of countries and numbers associated with them are displayed. Tap the country you want to dial in from. This specific organizer's phone has UK numbers generated based on the locale of their phone. However, you can see how easy it is to call in from your localized number. Since I'm in the United States, I can browse to find my localized conference number here. Click on the Host tab and you'll be able to log into your OpenVoice account. As soon as you log in, you'll see the option to start an ad hoc conference, and you will again see a list of any scheduled conferences ready for you to host. If you want to start an ad hoc conference, just select Start Call, and you'll be able to host a call right away without the need of entering an access code, a conference room number, or an organizer PIN. You can also start a scheduled conference by clicking on this down arrow and choosing the phone option. You'll also see options to edit your conference and notify attendees, which I will show you in just a moment. Here you can schedule a conference. Tap the plus icon on the My Conferences screen. Enter the details for your conference on the Add Event page. Provide the conference with a name and time. Choose whether you want the conference to be recurring or not. Choose a reminder status. Confirm all the information and numbers you'd like to supply for conference attendees here. And finally, add your participants from your contact list. When complete, click Save at top to schedule your conference, and it will be automatically displayed on your My Conferences page. To start a scheduled conference from the My Conferences screen, tap the arrow icon next to a conference, and you have the options to start the call, edit the conference information, or notify invitees of any changes. To join or start a conference with toll or toll-free numbers, click the conference you want to start and click the phone icon. As I demonstrated earlier, you will see the list of countries to dial in from. Simply tap the country and number you want to dial in from, and your conference will immediately begin. To edit information of an existing conference from the My Conferences screen, tap the arrow icon next to the conference, click on this edit icon, and click on the name of the conference at top that you want to edit. Make any adjustments needed to the conference details, and when you're finished, tap the Save button at top right. To notify attendees of any meeting updates from the My Conferences screen, tap the arrow icon next to the conference you want to notify attendees about a change for, and tap the Notify icon. Here you have the option to notify your conference invitees as to whether you may be late, need to reschedule, or want to send a custom message to. Please note that this is simply for informing conference attendees about a change, not inviting more attendees. I'll show you how to do that next. To invite additional attendees to a scheduled conference, tap the arrow icon next to the conference you want to invite others to. Tap the Edit button and click on the conference name. Scroll toward the bottom of this page and click this icon to invite more participants from your contact list. Finally, to delete a scheduled conference, tap on the arrow next to the conference you'd like to delete. Tap the Edit icon here, and tap the Menu button on the lower left corner of your Samsung device. This is the button usually used to access phone settings. Tap the Delete button and confirm you do want to delete this conference. You will then see it is no longer on your list of scheduled conferences. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial on installing and using the OpenVoice mobile app on your Android.